Hi, my name is Braden Burke, and I'm going to be talking about our experiences and what we learned through our Engineering 132 project for first order systems. So throughout our process in this project, we learned many things about the baseline of circuits and how resistors can affect noise coming out of circuits. Throughout this project, there was things that were harder than we expected, such as Milestone 3, when we went from having no code to just making a code to do everything we needed. It was a lot harder than we expected. Also, importing the data, just the first thing we had to do on the code, was much harder than we thought. One thing that was easier than we expected was Milestone 5. We thought it was going to be like Milestone 3, where we had to completely remake a code, but since we already had a baseline code, it made it much easier to finish our Milestone 5. When approaching the problem given to us by first order systems, we originally started working within our own group and couldn't figure anything out. When trying to figure out the code for Milestone 3, we were lost. But we decided to take a different approach and branch out to other groups. We branched out and got a little information from different peers in our class, and through branching out, we were able to get enough information to complete our Milestone 3 code. My group was given more time when completing this project. Although our code worked, I feel like we could have refined it in order to make it easier to understand and more cleaned up. Also, with our project memos, I feel like we could have spent more time on them in order to indicate to others what we did through our process in solving the code. Throughout our project, I learned much about circuits and about MATLAB, but it's not this that I'm going to know how to use in the future. What I'm going to use in the future is the information I learned about how to be an effective group member and communicate effectively with my group and setting deadlines to complete a project on time. In working in this project, we were told to use the FFT function in our MATLAB code. Originally, I did not know what to do because we'd never learned this in class, and I thought it'd be very difficult. But when looking further and following along the steps given for the FFT function, I was surprised to find out it was very easy.